Hello. Some pretty lively weather over the next day or so. With the winds coming from the southwest, it will be pretty mild for most of us. But those winds are going to get stronger, especially so during Wednesday, potentially causing a few problems. And another issue, some very heavy rain. Not for all of us, but for some parts of the UK, it's going to be a very soggy next 36 hours. Now, particularly wet on Tuesday across much of northern Scotland. The rain slowly clearing perhaps from central parts. Another pulse of rain pushing into parts of Wales and northwest England. Elsewhere, quite a bit of dry weather around, and we could even see some brightness across parts of eastern England. A hint of sunshine, and with the winds coming in from the southwest, it's breezy, but it is mild. Those winds bringing in the mild air and temperatures for many of us into the teens. Further north, though, with the wet weather lingering across northern Scotland, it's still pretty cold here. Temperatures just 6 or 7 Celsius in places. Now, it stays pretty wet well into the evening here. That rain could be quite heavy at times over North Wales and northwest England. This is the snapshot for this evening's rush hour. Still, those southwesterly winds continue to blow quite a lot of mild air across the UK overnight tonight. Further pulses of rain push into Wales as well. The rain steadily easing from northern Scotland. It'll be a bit of a chilly one in the far north here with some clearer skies perhaps, but elsewhere with those winds still bringing that milder air, temperatures will, for quite a few of us, stay in double figures and in some towns and cities stay in the teens. Into Wednesday, and those winds continue to blow, and if anything gets stronger, especially across the south. Pulses of heavy rain through the day over parts of southern Scotland, northwest England and North Wales could cause some problems. That rain, I say, really starting to mount up by the end of Wednesday. Another line of rain coming into western areas later on. Temperature-wise, again, still very, very mild, especially if you see any brightness across the east. But for most, it's a gloomy day, particularly through central southern portions of Scotland. And again, in the far north, it's still on the chilly side. Now, through Wednesday evening, the winds are likely to strengthen further. Could get some very strong gusts across parts of the south. Still a potential for heavy rain over North Wales, northwest England and parts of southern Scotland too. So some intense downpours, some strong and gusty winds. It's mild, but it's wet and very windy for the next day or so. Then, on Wednesday night, the risk of some snow across northern parts of Scotland. And then for all of us, it does look as if it's going to turn quite a bit colder as we go towards the end of the week and into the weekend. More details on that and all the weather warnings available on our website, and track the rainfall yourself by downloading our weather app.